The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Tarrant County and northwestern Dallas County until 8:45. A severe thunderstorm is located over Keller, moving east at 20 miles per hour. The storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for northeastern Tarrant County and for northwestern Dallas County until 8:45. A severe thunderstorm located by radar over Keller, moving east at 20 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.